Hello my friend, how are you? Me, Amir Masood Shakiri and Mr. Ashkan Yousefi, my friend. Today we wanna open this box.
Send my hello to all the viewers. We have a 3 phases inverter charger Deye 25 kilowatts here. We are going to open the box and test the inverter charger to see what's inside.
Okay, thank you so much. At first, exactly like another video, I'm so sorry about my bad English grammar.
Me too.
Okay, let's go.
Let me put it here.
We are in AGS showroom Dubai and these goods come from our Jebel Ali warehouse.
Okay,
Today-
I carry it and you can take the box.
Okay. Only because we don't want damage on the desk.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Box of
Okay.
Deye 25 kilowatt high voltage.
We have some tools for MC4 connector and a BMS cable, some extra MC4 connectors, and again MC4 connectors here for the PVs. And here we have some boxes inside. Let's see what it's. Where's the cutter? Yeah.
I think this is a city, maybe.
I think so. Yeah. We have one CT here.
Each phases have a one CT meter.
Yeah,
yes?
exactly.
Okay.
Another CT either here. And some more CTs there.
Okay, and what is this?
This should be dongle of
Yes,
Wi-Fi.
exactly. Wi-Fi dongle. That camera show us detailed things.
Yeah, I see.
Very good. Okay, let's go. For connecting to the battery, we must open the main door of inverter. Both of camera, one of them recording the detail, and one of them record our conversation, Mr. Yousefi.
Okay, it's good.
This high voltage inverter, where we can use it? Why we must use high voltage system?
Any place that we have 3 phases equipment, like factories, maybe villages.
Maybe village.
Yeah. Some villages have 3 phases.
Three phase.
Electricity, we can use 3 phases and high voltage Deye inverter charger. And the reason of being high voltage batteries because of the 3 phases voltage and making some powerful wattage.
Okay. Your means when we use high voltage system,
Yeah.
we decrease the temperature, and the low temperature will give us efficiency.
Yeah, exactly.
This is our high voltage control box. We must keep it here. After opening box, we wanted to unbox the HV control box. Finish?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you please do something for us? I want to zoom more.
Yeah.
No zoom more. I just come here for showing better. Please.
Yeah, we have generator connectors here.
Okay.
These ones, 3 phases,
Okay.
and one for earth connector, yeah?
Very good.
And we have load connectors, this side.
Okay.
And let me check. The battery connectors are here.
Battery connector in this inverter is
Two
MC4.
connectors. Yeah, exactly.
Why?
Because of the standard of Deye inverter charger.
Okay.
And yeah, and we can't put them wrong. You see, we have another part for negative side
Okay.
and another side for positive.
Positive.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. And other things is
And PV MC4 connectors here.
very nice. Thank you so much.
2 MPPT, yeah?
2 MPPT, exactly. Exactly. We
2
have
MPPT,
2 MPPT.
4 strings.
4 string. Okay. And the data LAN connection.
Yeah,
yes?
we have RS485, BMS2, BMS1, DRM, CAN, parallel 1, parallel 2 for paralleling 2 inverter charger or maybe more.
Very good.
And master connector here.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's go for unboxing HP control box of Deye.
Yeah.
This is high voltage control box bus W PDU2 product model, and the weight is 25 kilogram, net weight is 19 kilogram, and the size is 745 in 555 in 240 millimeter. Let's go for open it. This Deye HV control, what is due for us in system?
It's a control box for connecting our batteries together and send and receive data to inverter charger and manage all the batteries to the inverter charger.
Very good. This is a BMS.
Yeah, exactly.
It's in this high voltage system, each battery have a 51 volt.
51 voltage, yeah.
This HV control make them in series and give you a high voltage and control all the batteries. This is a main BMS.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, let's go for open it. Okay, what we have do here, all the connection. If we open it is better because we want show to our
Sure.
solar fan.
Sure.
Please subscribe our channel and check our projects on our Instagram and our website. Thank you so much.
Okay, we have 2 wires for connecting the batteries to control box,
Okay.
and that's earth cable.
This is for negative to positive.
Yeah.
BMS cable.
BMS data cable, yeah.
Okay.
Another one. And connecting it's the
the
cable,
last
battery,
battery
yeah,
to
to
the
the control
HP.
box. And connecting the first battery to the control box, negative cable.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah. Do you know what it is?
Diffuser.
Yeah, exactly.
When you don't have any parallel system or no more battery, you can put this diffuser into the empty connectors. Okay,
Let me
finish. Again, a BMS, extra BMS cable is here. It's not, I'm sorry, it's not BMS cable. It's for connecting HV controller to inverter. Thank you so much, Yusuf. And this is, we are in AGS showroom and everything may be happen here. Okay, this is for connecting HP control to inverter. And I have one question. I don't have any question because this is a connector. It's a normal connector via HV control to inverter. But this inverter don't support this. This only support MC4 connector to HV controller. Let me show you. 25 kilowatt inverter. They have 3 phases. One side is battery connector and one side it's for battery, but it's MC4.
It's for MC4 for inverter, yeah.
Exactly. Okay. Finish. The one handbook and the temperature sheet. When you finish installing, you must put this temperature sheet in the between last battery and HV control. What we have inside?
We have the rack of the battery because all of these batteries are rack mount.
Okay.
And we have one rack for each battery, and this is for the control box here.
Very good, very good. Actually, I think the name of this is not rack. I think it's a structure or like this, or a stand rack, maybe.
Maybe. I'm not sure about the name.
Okay, very good. Let's go for putting out is درسته نه؟
Yeah.
Okay.
I keep.
Okay. Okay, let's go for introduce HV control. Let's go.
Okay, we have two connectors here
Okay.
for connecting the batteries via cable
Okay.
to this, and we have a key to turning it off and on.
Circuit breaker.
It's a DC breaker here,
Okay.
and two signal for showing the alarm or everything being normal,
Okay.
and P negative and P positive for putting two control box of battery series together,
Okay, very good.
and COM here for connecting the battery to the control box for transferring the data.
Okay, very good. From BMS to BMUs. And we have one USB output for charging mobile, or I think we can connect some dangle to this.
Yeah, we can get more information from the control box to the laptop or other things.
Very good. And what we have in the back of this control box? If you rotate
Back
this
of
control
this, yeah.
box,
Let
it's
me
very
show.
better, yes. Okay.
Let me open it. I'm not sure about this, you know?
I think we can use some power to turn it on for testing. No need to connect any inverter to this HV control.
Interesting.
Okay.
And some
PCS.
port of COM here, HV baud, HV bin, and PCS.
Okay, PCS for connecting inverter to the HV control and HV bin or HVB out. When you have 5 pieces of battery rack, you can use it for paralleling these HVs together. What we have here?
Yeah, we have the model of this control box here, BOSWP2, operating voltage 200, 1000,
Okay.
which we have 200 voltage here because of 4 batteries we have.
Very good.
Normal charge discharge current 100 ampere. It's the maximum charge or discharge current. Operating temperature negative 220, 65.
Okay.
And ingress protection IP20. DC input rating 12, positive negative 2%.
Very good. Thank you so much. Now we can go to unboxing the batteries, Mr. Yusuf.